Well, hello YouTubers, how's it going? Hopefully it's going pretty good. Well, I'm going to show you tonight how to take out a headliner out of a Dodge Neon. The easy way to do it, a lot of folks want to replace their headliners because they start to sag after a while. And as you can see here, this one's in pretty bad shape, and this is pretty common, especially back in the 90s to about 2000. Then when they got to 2000, they made them a little bit differently. The backs are a little bit different, and they are a little bit shorter. Now, I've got all the fasteners loose and everything. And here is the new one I picked up at the salvage yard. I got it for $20. This one is in excellent condition. It has a few minor stains on it. Nothing to worry about. This one here is the one we are going to be putting in. As you see, I've got it pretty much ready to come out. It's pretty easy to do. You got to take off your sun visors. Then you got some molding strips that you got to pop off. Then you got these guys right there. That A-pillar right there, you see it has a cover on it. You got to work the headliner out of that. Now, it may be in your best interest just to go ahead and pop that off, but I was able to manage to work my headliner over that, is what I'm trying to say. And I've got the light disconnected. I basically just shoved it up in there, and once I got it up in there, I was able to maneuver the wire out, but you might want to just go ahead and leave it all hooked up. That way it'll be easier for you to pull out. And you can see you got three little fasteners in the back. I don't know if you can see that. There's one there and there and there. Pretty simple to take out. Once you get all that loose, this will come down like this. And you can see it's kind of resting there. Now the back of this one is a little bit different. All that matters for you is the holes that are in the right place for the wire that's back here in the back. And the sun visors, like I said, the 2000 to 2005, I believe they're all pretty much interchangeable. And also you got to cover a couple of A-pillar covers that go on that side over there. And there's one on this side inside the car. Those just pop right off. It's not really a big deal to get those off. Okay, now you see it sitting there. It's ready to come out. What you got to do, you can wrestle around with it all you want. You can try to force it out, but you're going to end up bending it. The best way to take this out, I find, is to come over here on the driver's side or the passenger side. We'll do the driver's side because my garage is a little smaller and I have a little room over here, a little more room I will on the passenger side. Open the door all the way up, and I'll see if I can get this light here just about right for you guys. Now the first thing you got to do, if you have a tilt wheel, which you probably will, go ahead and put it all the way up in the up position and lock it. And if you have a seat, tilt seat, put it all the way back like this. Just push it back as far as it will go. And also make sure the passenger seat is back as far as it will go. And now what we want to do is go ahead and get the headliner and pull it down like this. And as it comes down, let it go up under the steering wheel like this. Turn it sideways as we're pulling on it a little bit, and you can see it starting to come out. Keep pulling on it like this. And for video purposes, let me go ahead and set up the camera on a tripod now. And now we'll go ahead and pull the headliner out, and I'll walk over here since I got the camera set up on the hood. And I got the door open as far as it'll go. And simply just pull out like this, wiggle it, and out it comes, hassle-free. And your headliner is out, and we are ready to replace it with the new one. Simple as that. And there it is. There's the old one, and as you can see, it's coming apart. And like I said, as long as your holes are in the same place, you got your light up here, you should be in really good shape. And simply install your new one in reverse order. Just open up your door. Slide your new one in as you slide it up under the steering wheel and the seat. Simply just slide it in and tip it up and push it up over to the seat and up to the back of the window and push it up and start putting your fasteners back in and all that good stuff. So hopefully this will help you out. Okay guys, so we got our new one in. Now I find out just about any vehicle, if you're going to be taking out a headliner, do it through the front doors, put the seat back, put the steering wheel all the way up, tip it and pull it out. I find that it works just for about all vehicles. Let's look at the headliner real quick, the new one we put in. And as we look at it here, what a difference. It almost looks like a brand new headliner. As a matter of fact, this headliner is fairly new. All I got to do is wipe it up a little bit. Had some fingerprints on it, but man, what a difference. So hopefully this helped you out if you want to change out your headliners. That's typically how I do it. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like any of my videos, subscribe and all that. Say hi. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later.